Hey guys, what is up? You are now watching Renait Reborn. My name is John Renait, and today I'm going to be reviewing my gaming/video workstation. So one of the main reasons why I decided to get myself a gaming/video station is because one, my budget did not allow for something different. My original plan was to get a MacBook Pro, mainly because I needed something that can edit in possibly 4K, because that's what I'm shooting in. I'm a photographer, videographer, and I mainly shoot in 4K, at 30 FPS or 24 FPS. I needed a machine that was able to edit in 4K without stuttering, without lagging, without using all of the RAM, and being a smooth editing experience while being mobile. One of the main reasons why I got a workstation instead of a MacBook Pro was because a gaming PC or video editing station is very modular. What I mean by that is you can change what is in your PC. You can upgrade the CPU, you can upgrade the RAM, the GPU, you can literally upgrade everything, the power supply, the motherboard. It's a machine that is built to last and can go as far as you want it to. The sky is the limit when it comes to building a gaming rig. I built my gaming rig for less than £650, and I'm gonna tell you what is inside. So I'm gonna read off my screen here because there's quite a few parts in that machine over there. Everything that I speak about today will be listed in the description box below, and I'll place it somewhere here on the screen. So the first thing we have is the gaming case, which is a Corsair ICUE 220T mid-tower ATX RGB. So this case actually came with 3 RGB fans, which is amazing. It came with some RGB fans made by Corsair. My PC is running right now, and I'm pretty sure you can't even hear it. It is silent throughout gaming. It's silent throughout streaming on Twitch. It's just amazing. So I have Windows 10 64-bit. My motherboard is the MSI 390Z gaming board. My processor is an i5 9400F. I'm using a GTX 660, which has 2 gig video RAM. At the moment, it's holding up okay. So I'm able to game at high 720p, low 1080p, and I'm pushing between 40 to 60 FPS. So that's not too bad in most games. I have 16 gig of RAM. I'm using the Kingston HyperX DDR4 266 megahertz. I've got a Kingston M2 SSD, 250 gig. I have a second storage, which is my main storage, is a Kingston SSD 1 terabyte, and my PSU is 550 watts. I also have a Wi-Fi card in here. So performance-wise, I can have 20 Chrome tabs open. I can have Twitch running in the back. I can have Netflix running in the back, and it's just blazingly fast. There is no hiccup. The CPU and the GPU temps are super low. They don't even hit 60 degrees or 50 degrees. It's an absolute beast. In terms of gaming, I've tested this game on Apex, Genshin Impact, which is my favorite game at the moment. Follow my Twitch, link will be down in the description below. And I've tested it with a couple other games like Rogue Company and stuff like that. In Genshin Impact, I'm playing 1080p mid settings, 60 FPS. I have all of the shaders and the textures and the anti-aliasing all on mid, which is amazing. The game looks amazing. So I can play Genshin Impact at 1080p low and still stream a 720p FPS, 60 FPS stream, live stream to Twitch at the same time. So I can have the game and Twitch running at the same time. No lag at all, no hiccups, no bottleneck, I haven't overclocked this PC at all. And it works. In terms of my editing software, so my video and photo editing software, I use Photoshop, which is Photoshop CC, Photoshop Classic. I use Lightroom Classic, and I use Adobe Rush. I will be upgrading to Adobe Pro. I just haven't got there yet, so just leave that out. When it comes to opening up Lightroom and Photoshop, it is blazingly fast. There is no hiccups, there's no lag. The export times are amazing. When it comes to using Adobe Rush, filming in 4K and editing in 4K is super difficult. At the moment, I'm getting a quite choppy experience. But most of my videos, like this for example, will all be shot in 1080p with a few clips of 4K put in here and there. In 2021, that's where everyone is at. Yes, people do have 4K plasma TVs and 4K smart TVs, but not everyone has a 4K monitor or a phone that can display in 4K. You can still get by with 1080p very, very easily. I can shoot in 4K and then downsample it to 1080p to get a better editing experience. I haven't done that yet. I probably will do a review about that soon. In my opinion, a MacBook Pro or a laptop is aimed at someone that wants to edit on the go and be as mobile as possible. So one of my goals is to become a travel photographer. So eventually I'm gonna need a nice, nifty, lightweight machine that I can take across the globe, edit my videos, upload my videos, export my files, and just get the job done. But for home, this beast is all you need. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. It's a short video, but it's just an overview of my gaming PC. If you would like to see more in-depth review of my PC, then please leave a comment down below. Keep on sharing this video. My last video is doing amazing. So I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting me, and please subscribe if you haven't. My Twitch is down below if you want to see me game on this beast, or if you want to see me doing some live editing. So I edit photos on Lightroom and stream it on Twitch. If you want to see any of that content, please follow my Twitch now, and let's go. Stay safe, stay blessed, peace.